LABA7 damper dynos are optimized for ultimate accuracy while being incredibly easy to use. What's even more impressive is that all our shock dynos support a variety of adapters for testing shock absorbers. These adapters are not only easy to change but also make the process almost fun. We tested the rear shock absorber of a motorcycle, and here's how easy it is to swap it with a motorcycle front fork cartridge. Switching from a self-preload clevis to a universal standard U-clamp adapter is a simple process. First, remove the current adapter, then easily screw in the bolt to attach the standard U-clamp. Next, push the crossbar up, screw the cartridge into the adapter. Repeat the same steps with the lower adapter, and everything is now ready for testing. For more information about our products, visit our website.